Hello friends, in advanced web designing our topic is lists in HTML. In last lecture we have seen what is definition list and its example. In today's lecture we will see what is nested list and its example. Let's see its example. I have made one program here. In that you can see this is the example of HTML nested list. I am using OL here, that means ordered list, and you can see the UL tag here. So this is the concept of nested list. You can use your OL tag in between UL in your OL tag you can use UL tag, and in UL tag you can use OL tag also. So let's see how it will work. The OL item is OL list items is introduction to IT, introduction to definition DBMS, sorry, and here in between I have started another list, that is UL, that is unordered list. So this can be possible by using this kind of example, that is the nested list. You can use, or in ordered list you can use another unordered list, and or you can do its vice versa. You can also use ordered list in unordered list. So I will show you how to do it. We will see first this example, and see the UL is ended here and the last item of OL is Postgres. So if the list item is given, by default it is 1, right? So the type of OL is now 1, 2, and at third number there is starting UL. So this will be of circle. So you can see the 3 circles for definition of DBMS, applications of DBMS, and advantages of DBMS. For this you can see 3 circles, and the UL is ended, and so you can see the third number for Postgres. So let's run this program and see the output. See, you can see the output here. Let's see, here our OL is started. So by default our list type is 1, so it is given 1. Second is introduction to DBMS, so you can see first is introduction to IT, second is introduction to DBMS, and your UL is started here. So the UL items can be seen here. The 3 UL items are these, and these items are shown in circles. So the type of this is set by the program is circle. So UL style is, you can see list style type is circle. You can simply write UL type circle here. This is, I have used here style attribute, but you can also use the type attribute directly and give type is equal to circle here. So this is nested list. If you want to add more items in it, so after third, if you want add more UL items, you can add. Let's see, if I list here, so they have given definition of DBMS, so I will give definition of HTML. This is your list item number. Its applications, and advantages. So it is another UL list I am adding here. So after third number you can see UL, and then this UL is getting end here. UL is ended here. I will add one more list item in OL. So this list item will be of your OL, not UL. UL is end here. So this will be SQL, suppose. So this will be the number 4. Save this. I am saving this program. Let's run this and see the changes in the program. So you can see the changes in the program. Your first number is OL, second is OL, in between you have started UL. So you can see these items, and your third item of OL, sorry, and you have again started UL here, and fourth item of OL is SQL. So you can do it, it's vice versa, and you can also use here, change the type, and you can UL type disk. So you can see the changes. If you use the UL type disk, you can see changes here. See, UL type disk, and it is UL type. You can use UL item and you can use in between OL item. You can do vice versa also. So this is all about nested list. I hope you understand this. We will see more examples in the next lecture. Thank you so much.